Number 1. Have a chance. It means to have the possibility of doing something.
You have a chance to win the game. You have a chance to win the game. They have a chance at a new beginning. They have a chance at a new beginning. I might have a chance for promotion. I might have a chance for promotion.
Number 2. Have a choice. It means to have options to choose from.
We always have a choice in life. We always have a choice in life. You have a choice of 3 paths forward. You have a choice of 3 paths forward. She had a choice between 2 job offers. She had a choice between 2 job offers.
Number 3. Have the opportunity. It means to have a situation, possibly to do something.
He had the opportunity to travel abroad. He had the opportunity to travel abroad. They have the opportunity to start anew. They have the opportunity to start anew. I never had the opportunity to thank her. I never had the opportunity to thank her.
Number 4. Have a breakthrough. It means to make an important development.
The scientist had a breakthrough in her research. The scientist had a breakthrough in her research. They had a breakthrough in the negotiations yesterday. They had a breakthrough in the negotiations yesterday. We had a breakthrough with the new technology. We had a breakthrough with the new technology.
Number 5. Have a good, bad feeling about something. It means to have an intuition about something.
I have a good feeling about this interview. I have a good feeling about this interview. She had a bad feeling about the storm. She had a bad feeling about the storm. They have a good feeling about the deal. They have a good feeling about the deal.